And we're now getting visuals from Gyanvapi complex where the ASI team has completed its survey for the day. We're getting visuals of the ASI team leaving the complex after the survey. Ayush is at the spot getting us the latest updates. Over to you, Ayush.
Well, yes, ASI team is now likely to come out at any time. This morning is the survey started at 9 a.m. and this is 5 p.m. in the evening, and they are likely to come at any time. Few of the developments that we have seen today, that the measurement of the central hall, where the part which was not destroyed by the Aurangzeb as claimed by the Hindu side was inspected there. The measurement of the entire area was done. Few of the also reports that we have seen that the entire premises, the Gyanvapi premises, was divided into 3 parts. The photography and videography, the detailed photography of entire those 3 parts was done, and also soil testing claimed by Hindu side, that soil testing was also done today. There was a break at 12:30 when ASI team came out. When talking to us and the media, the Hindu side lawyers claimed that there are evidences of Trishul to be there, but ASI has not confirmed. They have denied. They have not come on record to say to confirm these claims that are made by Hindu side. But yes, the mapping, the pictorial representation of the entire premises was done today again. And latestly that we were informed that the cleanliness was also done. The few parts of this Gyanvapi mosque was, yes, these are the live visuals now. These ASI officials are now coming out. They are coming out, and yes, the entire premises was cleaned, and the measurement of three tombs that are controversial tombs. The Hindu side, which is claiming that those tombs doesn't have the foundation of their own. Those tombs are based on the foundation of the wall, and the wall that was of temple. So now the high technology and modern machines were installed by ASI to inspect that, to survey that, and compare the ages of wall and tomb to derive a conclusion whether the tomb was made before or the wall was made before. These are the few developments that has come on the second day, and there were speculations that ASI survey will not happen on the third day. But since the ASI has got limited time, they will be surveying tomorrow as well. This is confirmed that tomorrow also ASI team will arrive at 9 a.m. in the morning. And one more thing that happened today, a major development where the Muslim side was opposing it. Today they have joined the survey, and they have also handed over the keys to the ASI officials to open the Wajood Khana area. Wajood Khana area will be untouched as per the order of Supreme Court. That is left untouched, but the other parts of it will be the part of survey. The ASI entered there, and they have conducted a survey there. They have done few measurements and installed their high machineries. Yes.